Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. This is a short, probably a follow-up on the Nitecore BB Nano blower. Some people wanted to see real-life action. It is a dust blower and I do not have much dust here. I do have some places, but not. I can take a camera there. So here I will show you some specs again, and maybe that will help further clarifying things. And this is the add-on vacuum kit that I tried, and this is the result. So as you can see, it can vacuum. I just opened this up, and that's the bigger stuff, and this is the finer stuff held by the filter. So, and you can see and what I'm gonna do now, just drop it in here so you get a live preview how it does vacuum it up. So this is on the first setting, on the first speed. Obviously it does vacuum. It also has, this is a silicone tip, so it won't damage or mar any place, and this one has a brushed tip which you can also just insert here. Okay, so we open this thing up again. And you see the dust again here, that it did vacuum up. I know you're all anxious to see how it's gonna blow it. Okay, this is the vacuum attachment part, and this is the dust filter. What this does is, if you're using this to, where's the tip? Yes. If you use this to blow dust away, you obviously don't want any dust to blow onto the thing that you're blowing, trying to blow the dust away from. That's why it has this filter. And most other blowers, at least actually I didn't see, none of them have a filter like that. So they just blow air through, and whatever you have in your air, dust particle or whatever, you blow into your, say for example, if you're using this on a camera, you're blowing all the dust that's in the air onto your lens. Okay, so now I'm gonna, well, I cannot blow this thing in here, so I will try to make a video blowing this stuff away from the tray outside. Okay, well, stay tuned. So now I'm outside, and we will blow this dust away. Okay, it works. Let's try to blow some other stuff away. Some bigger stuff, I don't know what's else in here. Let's see if we have something here that we can blow away. Let me put it on. So in case you're wondering what these holes are, that's from the hailstorm we had that also destroyed my car. Okay, so obviously it does blow. I hope that will satisfy the people who asked for it. And that's it for today. Take care. So as the end, I also wanted to show what it did catch from the air and did not blow onto whatever you're cleaning. And I hope that makes it clear what this little guy can do. And just for the fun of it, well, it didn't blow that away because it's probably stuck in that mesh, but it does blow away dust. It is a dust blower. And it has a filter to eliminate any dust blown onto your electronics or whatever you're using it for. And this is it. If you liked the video, put a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, put 2 thumbs down. And you can support me by checking out my links. There's affiliate link in the description for this blower and the vacuum kit. And if you do have any questions, please do ask. If you want me to blow something else away, just ask. I might do it. I don't think so, but I might do it. And this is it. Take care, everybody.